Hello, my dear papas, mamas, daddies, and moms. I'm Dr. Manohar here to talk to you about one of the most amazing gifts a mother can give to a baby, the nature's or the God-given gift, amazing gift, breastfeeding. It's not just about milk, it's about love, comfort, and connection. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the incredible journey together. When a baby is born, the first milk your body produces is something extraordinary. Colostrum. Think of it as nature's golden vaccine. It's packed with antibodies that protect your baby from infections, and even it can boost the intelligence by up to 8%. 8%. Amazing, right, mom? So don't worry. If the milk flows slow in the first few days, this golden goodness is all your baby needs. Here's a fun fact: breast milk isn't just delivered by your breasts, it's actually made in your brain. Crazy, right? Your brain senses your baby's needs and adjusts the milk accordingly. Premature babies get extra nutrition, hot day, more hydration. It's like having a personal nutritionist on call 24/7. That is why frequent feeding is so important. It keeps the signals flowing to your brain to produce just the right amount of milk. Now let's talk about something super important: latching. This is one of the most important foundation of successful feeding. If a baby latches onto just a nipple, it's like just trying to drink a smoothie through a tiny straw. It's hard work for the baby and painful for you. But when they latch onto the areola, it is like opening the floodgates. Milk flows easily, the baby gains weight faster, and you avoid those painful nipple cracks. Remember, less pain, more gain. Imagine your milk supply as a beautiful garden. The more you water it, breastfed, the more it thrives. Skipping feeds is leaving your garden in the sun without water. The flowers wilt and the brain starts thinking, oh, maybe we don't need so much milk after all. So keep feeding frequently to keep your garden blooming. Got you, mom? So the more you water it, like a breastfed, the more it thrives. Skipping feeds is like leaving your garden in the sun without water. The flowers wilt and the brain starts thinking, oh, maybe they don't, or we don't much milk after all. So keep feeding frequently to keep your garden blooming. Your body is a milk making machine, and like any machine, it needs the right fuel. Foods like oatmeal, nuts, and leafy green. So mama, foods like oatmeal, nuts, and leafy greens are your best friends. But here's something: your emotional well-being matters just as much. Stress can mess your milk supply. So take time to rest, relax, and enjoy the special moments with your baby. Did you know your breast milk can be safely stored for later? Yep, it's a liquid gold. At room temperature, it lasts for about 4 hours. In the fridge, 4 days. And in the freezer, up to 6 months. Just remember, label the dates and see your oldest milk first. It's a lifesaver for those moments when you need a break or to have a step out. Breastfeeding is just about feeding a baby. It's about bonding. Every time you hold a baby close, they feel your love, your warmth, and your reassurance. That's connection. It's nourishing as milk as itself. So your love and warmth and reassurance is there in the hug while feeding. That connection is as nourishing as milk itself. So don't stress about being perfect. Every drop, every cuddle, every moment counts. Breastfeeding is a journey, and every mom's journey is unique. You are doing an amazing job, and your baby is lucky to have you. Remember, it's not just about milk. It's about love, patience, and teamwork. You have got this, Super Mom.